So guys, this is the Infinix Smart 4, and in this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Infinix Smart 4. Hey guys, it's Michael from Medo Unboxing, where I help you to make the decision in buying budget smartphone and gadgets. If you are new here, kindly hit the subscribe button below and turn on post notification. The Infinix Smart 4 is the successor to the Infinix Smart 3, which was released at the beginning of 2019. This device is a low-end budget smartphone that is less than 30,000 naira or $82 and does not have a budget specs a smartphone should have. The Infinix Smart 4 is the list of what Infinix can offer in the budget segment. From my point of view, I would say that this smartphone is targeted at people who want to get into the smartphone world, or those who are on a tight budget and don't want to spend much, or those who want to use this as a backup phone if their primary device is being stolen, or those who want to use this as a secondary phone for calls and text messages. It has this kind of matte finish, but the budget edition of it. Inside the box, we have the phone itself with some highlights of the specs up front: 5-volt power brick, micro USB cable, earphone, X Club literature, Google Assistant literature, screen guard, user manual, and a well-designed case. Setting up this device for the first time, it took about 1 minute with 5 seconds. This device comes with a 6.6-inch IPS LCD display, just like the Infinix S5 and S5 Lite, with a resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels, also an aspect ratio of 20 by 9 and a 266 pixels per inch. The 82.9 screen to body ratio on this device is quite similar to the Itel S15 and S15 Pro, and the chin at the top and bottom are more noticeable on this device. This device runs on Android Pie based on XOS 5.5. The processor on here is the same on the Infinix Hot 8 and Hot 8 Lite with the Tecno Spark 4, which is the MediaTek Helio A22 12nm quad-core CPU, which is for low-budget smartphones. When playing 2D games on this device, I noticed some lags, which is caused by the PowerVR GE8320 GPU, which is on the Infinix S5. And if you bought this phone for gaming, you have entered one chance smartphone. If you want to enjoy this device with little or no lags, just download Go apps like Google Go, Maps Go, YouTube Go, Facebook Lite, Twitter Lite, PUBG Lite, and some similar apps like that. The 4000 mAh battery lasted as expected and took approximately 3 hours to fully charge this device from 0 to 100%. At the front, we have the speaker grills, LED flash, and the selfie camera. At the left hand side, we have nothing. On the right hand side, we have the volume rocker, Google Assistant button, just like the one on the Tecno Nova 3, and the power button. At the top, we have nothing. At the bottom, we have the 3.5mm headphone jack, microphone, and a micro USB port. At the back, we have the single camera, LED flash, fingerprint sensor, Infinix logo, speaker grills, and smart branding. If we remove the back cover of this device, you will see the dual 4G nano SIM slot, SD card slot, and the 4000 mAh non-removable battery. The Infinix Smart 4 comes with a single camera at the front and back, which is a 5-megapixel selfie camera and 8-megapixel rear-facing camera. Also, it has a single flash both at the front and back. Also, here are some pictures and videos taken with the front and rear-facing camera of this device. So the Infinix Smart 4 is a very hard phone to recommend at this price point because it may sound so cheap to you, but if you can't utilize it to the full potential, you may see this phone as a very useless phone. Hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Don't forget to share to a friend. Thumbs up if you like it, subs if you love it, and I'll see you on my next video. Peace.